Today's recipe is savoury muffins. They're going to be flavoured with spring onion, mature cheddar and chive. A great savoury alternative. They are absolutely delicious. So I'm going to weigh out both sets of ingredients. And when I say both sets of ingredients, I mean the wet ingredients in one bowl and the dry ingredients in the other. I'm going to use my Taylor Touchless TARE scales because they are really good. You don't have to zero it or anything like that. You just wave your hand and it zeroes the scale so you can add the next lot in. Measure out your milk, your oil and your eggs into one bowl, whisk it all up and then just put it to one side. Now concentrate on the dry ingredients. Weigh out my baking powder and my flour and mix those together. That's my dry ingredients. Then we're going to add in the chopped spring onions, the chopped chives and the grated mature cheddar. Now if you haven't got mature, don't worry, use the cheese that you've got, okay? I'm also going to add some Dijon mustard to mine as well. We've got dry in one bowl and we've got wet in the other. This is very simple, this recipe. Put the two together. So I tend to just pour one into the other and then fold and mix. Don't worry about it being really smooth, the batter. You don't want it smooth, to be honest, with muffins. You want it a little bit lumpy, so don't overwork it, because if you do, they'll become quite tough and chewy, and you just want them nice and soft and delicate. So once you've got your muffin batter mix, I'm going to put mine into my Masterclass 9-hole mini muffin trays. These are great, and this mix will do 2 full trays. If you've got a bigger muffin tin, probably do 1 lot, but this is going to make 18 small ones, which are perfect because it means you can have 2. So before you spoon your mixture in, I've just taken a little bit of polenta and sprinkled it on the bottom because it gives it a nice crunch, but you don't have to, it's optional. And then spoon it straight into the muffin trays, let it settle for about 5 minutes, and then bake it 160 degrees in a preheated oven. And they'll take about 20 minutes and they'll just sort of balloon up and they'll be absolutely delicious. Now I like to butter mine because I'm from Yorkshire and we butter everything there. But it's entirely up to you. We serve these with a nice soup. You can serve them toasted for breakfast. They're good anytime. So if you want the recipe, go to kitchencraft.co.uk and you will find it there.